a hood rat. Take me for instance. I am nowhere near a hood rat. Ever. In my life. Will I be anywhere close to a hood rat. At all. I am a lady. I present myself as a lady. Yes, I may have curves as a so-called hood rat, but I'm not. Okay? So, as I like to talk to, as I carry myself as a lady. I never show too much, and I barely show anything at all. I just have lumps that are very hard to cover up.
Real talk.
So, yeah. You may want to get in my pants, but don't let me know that. I don't care to know about your ignorance. I'm a 21-year-old woman looking for a husband, not somebody to hook up with.
When you go on tour with the Rolling Stones, huh?
My mentality is way different than most 20-year-olds, because I did everything really early in my life.
Shit, me too.
Hey, we'll celebrate. Hey, can we get some of that cake? Matter of fact, bring that whole cake over here.
Pretty much kind of settled. Oh, they have cake!
Go get that bitch. Alright.
Oh my god.
Like you was saying.
So as I was saying,
Hey, come on.
it's some good cake. Easy for me.
But when you start,
I would like to get myself
normally
together
hard
before I
to-
bring somebody else in my life.
I already kind of have myself kind of together. All I need is my degree, and I have a job in California waiting for me.
Oh, so you done bought some of them.
Leave her alone.
Sonny, come on. Come on, bitch.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you look like that's some good cake. Your cheeks
And don't let me catch you around my house.
fluff this shit when you take that first bite, girl.
Oh, I hate
Make
cake.
me
Take
a
that
little
cake.
jealous.
Get out of here. Bring that shit around me. Nasty cake.
God damn, Frosty, they good.
How you gonna say it's nasty as shit, but you had the meanest smile at first.
She's my dancer.
Oh shit, lap dances all around.
No lap dances. You have money? Lap
I know,
dances?
right?
Ain't nobody coming to see you.
No, you can tell.
Really?
You can tell by like the first 3 minutes if she's a hoe or not.
Hey, that's true though.
You can tell by the first 3 minutes. How do I know I'm not a hoe? Because I look you up and down, and I make my instant judgment right there.
Where the hell they keep getting cake? I want a piece.
Hey, let's go find it. Come on.
Can I leave this here? No one will be back? Okay.
I can't eat shit right now.